What up, this is Rama Screen covering movies, TV, and entertainment, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing. And special thanks to Walt Disney Home Entertainment for sending me this free advance copy of Frozen 2! Woohoo! Let it go! I think the song is Into the Unknown. I don't know how to sing it. Anyways, this is Frozen 2 4K Ultra HD Blu-ray Digital Combo Pack, which will be available in stores everywhere starting February 25th. Or you can purchase this through the Amazon link in the description box below this video. Alrighty then, enough with the jibber jabber. Let's unbox this with me, shall we? Here it is, ta-da! Frozen 2 4K Ultra HD Blu-ray Digital Code Combo Pack. It's the Ultimate Collector's Edition. Haha. It says here on the sticker, 4 times sharper than HD, movie only. And then, experience the movie with the sing-along, plus over an hour of bonus including outtakes and more. Of course, redeem your digital code today from Movies Anywhere. Oh, look at Olaf. The ever so hilarious Olaf. Disney Frozen 2. Here's the backside. Richard Rupert calls it one of the most beautifully animated films of the decade. Alright. Here we go. Whoop. Let me put this to the side. Wow, shiny. Let's rock this. Ooh, pretty. Alright, as always it comes with the flyer containing the digital code which you can redeem, and then you can enjoy the movie Frozen 2 on multiple platforms. Look what we have here. Another advertisement, this one's for Disney Movie Club. Join the club and get 4 movies for $1 plus free shipping. Wow, that's a great deal. Behold the discs. As you can see, the Frozen 2 Blu-ray disc did not get much love. It's just plain blue color, no artwork on it. But yeah, and Frozen 2 4K disc, however, has a beautiful artwork here of Anna and Elsa. That's right. And it says the movie is rated PG for action, peril, and some thematic elements. Cool beans. Okay, let's take a quick look at what it says here. 4K Ultra HD, it's movie only. With Ultra Play, jump instantly to the movie, 4K resolution, high dynamic range, wider color spectrum, immersive audio. For the complete 4K experience, you'll need 4K Ultra HD TV with high dynamic range, Ultra HD Blu-ray player. And on the Blu-ray section, it's movie and bonus extras. Outtakes, deleted scenes, deleted songs, did you know? Music videos, and many, many more. So that's it. That's the unboxing of Frozen 2 4K Ultra HD Blu-ray Digital Combo Pack, which again will be available in stores everywhere starting February 25th. or you can purchase this through the Amazon link in the description box below this video. Thank you so much for watching this latest episode of Unboxing. Subscribe to my channel, press that like button, ring that bell, and if you can help support me, please do so at patreon.com/ramascreen. That's patreon.com/ramascreen. Let's rock this!